When was the last time you saw the world's richest man, Elon Musk, dance? Even though his steps wouldn't win any dancing contest, the billionaire CEO of Tesla gyrated at the opening ceremony of Giga Berlin, Tesla's sparkling and brand new EV plant in Germany. What went down at the event, and has Tesla finally won the war against environmentalists bent on seeing the Giga Berlin project cancelled? Join us as we dive into the intriguing story of Musk's struggle to open the Giga Berlin. Welcome back to New Vehicle Media, your go-to channel for electric vehicle news and updates. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see more similar content like this. Tesla has become a household name, and compared to the rest of the industry, some people might say it's been an overnight success story. However, that would be overlooking the tons of challenges the EV maker faced on its way to the top. Tesla is responsible for a dizzyingly long list of breakthroughs in the EV space that nothing can touch its position at the top. For example, the company literally dragged electric vehicles out of obscurity into the limelight. Its first car, the purely electric super performance Roadster, showed the world what battery-powered vehicles were capable of. Thanks to its pioneering use of lithium-ion batteries, Musk proved that EVs could possess a driving range of over 200 miles, and the battery could charge fast. Prior to the Roadster, EV makers used lead-acid batteries, known for their massive weight and inefficiencies. The company still continues to out-innovate the rest of the industry in batteries with the release of its vastly improved 4680 or tabless battery that will debut in its upcoming vehicles. Tesla also created what has become a global phenomenon, a network of chargers that assured EV owners that they could charge anywhere they were. The network, known as superchargers, fills up the battery fast, enabling EV drivers to quickly resume their trips after a stop to recharge. Tesla also became the first and only car maker to cross the $1 trillion market capitalization mark, a milestone that boosted Musk's personal wealth considerably. However, perhaps the most visible achievement is owing to the best-selling EV car ever, the Model 3. Thanks to the vehicle's popularity and its sibling, the Model Y, Tesla's production volume has shot up significantly. In 2022, Tesla shipped almost 500,000 cars. But Musk quickly set an ambitious target for 2021. A 50% increase in car shipment. Few companies would dream that huge. But that, of course, is what sets Elon Musk apart from other entrepreneurs. Tesla smashed its goal, shipping more than 930,000 units in the last year. Tesla is still committed to its audacious growth, but has to fix one problem first: production space. There is no doubt Tesla runs very efficient production lines that make other car makers jealous. Volkswagen CEO Herbert Diess, who happens to be a huge fan of Tesla and Musk, admitted that Tesla makes a complete car in 10 hours, while his company requires 30 hours. However, Tesla needs more space if it must increase its production volume to meet Musk's audacious goal of 20 million cars per annum by 2030. Tesla's first production plant is located in Fairmont, California. The company took over the complex from a partnership between Toyota and GM in 2010, but has since outgrown the space. Its first expansion outside its home country was in China, where it built a production plant in Shanghai, known as Giga Shanghai. It has since added research and development facilities on the site. The complex has quickly grown and is now significant to Tesla's global operations, becoming a hub where Made in China (MIC) Teslas are shipped to the rest of the world. The rumored cheaper Model 2 would be made there. However, demand for Tesla EVs is rising everywhere, including Europe, and shipping from China to Europe gives Tesla rivals like Volkswagen a chance to compete. Despite doing extremely well, Tesla's 13% European EV market share trails Volkswagen's 25%. The solution was to add another production plant, preferably in Europe. This was the idea behind Giga Berlin, which Musk announced in late 2019. Ironically, by choosing Germany, Tesla was taking the fight to the German trio of Volkswagen, BMW, and Mercedes-Benz on their own turf. Musk declared he decided on Germany because of the large pool of skilled automobile workers, not hiding that Tesla was coming to raid the three companies' manufacturing talents. Tesla decided on a lot in Grünheide, a coal town in Brandenburg State, not too far from the capital, Berlin. And to my German viewers out there, sorry for my butchered pronunciation. However, the construction would turn out to be protracted, unlike the lightning progress it experienced in China. Giga Shanghai actually took less than a year to complete. The proposed plant costs $5.5 billion and has 500,000 units per annum capacity and would employ 12,000 workers directly. Tesla would become the largest employer of labor in the state and create thousands of jobs indirectly. In anticipation of the factory, Canadian Rocktech Lithium has announced it's building a production plant for battery-grade lithium hydroxide in the same area. The plant would cost 470 million euros and employ 160 people. It'll produce enough lithium hydroxide for 500,000 EVs per annum, matching Tesla's projected output. Rocktech is actually onto something, as Tesla is adding a battery plant just across from Giga Berlin where it'll make batteries, precisely its new 4680 battery. The battery will power the cars made from the factory and also Tesla's energy storage devices. Tesla first faced environmental activists that protested everything from male lizards hibernating to groundwater. Tesla even relocated a whole species of animals from the site. The activists secured an injunction that stopped construction. Protests, however, were not the only problem Tesla faced. Bureaucratic red tape made the project hang in the balance as the approval kept getting delayed. Tesla even called out the German government for its archaic permission process in an open letter. The company was forced to continue construction with provisional approval, which carried a huge risk. Tesla had to pay a deposit of 100 million euros, which would be used to return the site to its original state if the approval was not granted. Production was supposed to have started in 2021, but Musk had to wait until this month to open the factory and hand over the first Model Y units to buyers. This much-coveted final environmental permit finally arrived, letting Tesla commence production in its state-of-the-art factory. Musk expressed his appreciation to the German government on Twitter. Giga Berlin hosts the best Tesla paint shop in the world, and Musk has hinted the plant will offer unique shades that are unavailable today, such as deep crimson, which the CEO noted is his personal favorite. Musk was in high spirits during the opening ceremony and treated attendants to his dance moves again. The last time was at the opening ceremony of Giga Shanghai, and critics have not concluded yet whether Musk has improved on his dance routine. But he appeared to please the crowd as they broke out in applause for the performance. The Berlin plant is meant to supply the whole of Europe, and it has begun doing exactly just that. In just a week after the first delivery event, Model Ys from Giga Berlin have already been reported delivered to pre-order holders in Italy, Denmark, and the Netherlands. Other reports confirmed that made in Germany Teslas had made it to Belgium. Tesla Club Italy shared a few images showing the first Giga Berlin Model Ys in the country. Meanwhile, at Tesla Beast shared a video of Denmark's first Giga Berlin Model Y deliveries. Sadly, not all the cars will serve their owners for a long time. One of the Model Y units, owned by Jörg Minnebusch from Oberhausen, was damaged shortly after the turnover. Minnebusch's Model Y has the license plate number Giga 012. His brand new vehicle was hit from behind when another driver rushed into him during a red light. Thanks to his insurance, though, Minnebusch was eligible for a brand new Model Y because its mileage was less than 1,000 kilometers. However, the sentimental value of his Model Y far outweighed the prospect of a brand new one. Tesla will gradually ramp up production at Giga Berlin to at least 5,000 per week before the end of 2022. It is also in the process of filling staff positions. However, while Giga Berlin has delivered its first batch of EVs, the fight for the plant's existence is far from over. Just recently, environmental groups NABU and the Green League have stated that they are considering filing a lawsuit against Giga Berlin. The NABU and the Green League have filed an objection to Tesla's Giga Berlin approval. They wish to examine the facility's documents first. The groups are demanding to access Tesla's application documents for the production facility, according to Christine Schroeder from NABU. The two environmental groups have accused the State Office for the Environment of delaying or refusing the submission of application documents. The groups do not believe that they are up to date with Giga Berlin's applications. As a result, the group's inspections of the electric vehicle maker's files must be enforced using appeals. These two groups were the thorniest in Tesla's flesh during the construction and have shown they are not backing down yet. However, Musk and the new employees working at the site are optimistic that Giga Berlin is here to stay. Tell us what you think about Giga Berlin in the comment section below, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell icon so you don't miss out on our latest uploads. And lastly, leave a like as it will really help the channel out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.